All types of decking boards experience slight expansion and contraction from temperature changes. This is perfectly normal and expected. You need to keep in mind the temperature when you're installing and cutting your boards, as there will be slight changes in sizing across the day. For example, boards cut at 9 AM in the morning when it's cold will be slightly larger by 2 PM when it's warm.
There are a few important things you can do when installing to make sure your deck can handle this fluctuation. Firstly, you need to acclimate your materials on a level surface at least 2 days prior to installation on the job site. Acclimating the boards will assist in uneven shrinkage seen during and after installation. Next, you need to make sure the gap between the boards is big enough to allow the slight variation in size. We recommend 3 to 5 millimeters. Any less and you'll risk damaging the boards if they expand from the heat. If your boards are over 4 meters, make sure you use the anti-creep clips. These clips keep the center of the board in place and help minimize expansion and contraction. The best way to allow for expansion and contraction is to use the breaker board method and carefully follow our installation guide on our website to make sure you are installing correctly.
It's very important to double check you are using the right amount of clips, materials, tools, spacing and methods we clearly lay out in our guides and videos. If you're concerned about your decking configuration or what you should look out for specific to your unique needs, I recommend speaking to a qualified builder or structural engineer for expert advice.